Good morning, guys. Good morning to those who have joined. We will start in 6 minutes, all right? Please make sure to keep the questions coming. We have ticker questions. You can put stocks related, anything related to stocks. I will go over anything that you struggle with. What is a stop loss? All those things I will be going over if you ask. Otherwise, I will just be charting and sharing chart setups, all right? See you guys in 5 minutes. Good morning to those who are joined. Let's keep the questions going in. Keep them coming in. Keep the questions coming in. Tickers, anything. I'll be going over them in a minute. All right, 4 minutes until we get started. See you in a bit. Two minutes till we do get started, guys. For those who have just joined, please make sure to post some tickers, questions. I much prefer the questions because tickers, it does get boring after a while. I'm not a robot, I am a human. You can ask me normal questions as well. Yeah, it would be great. All right, see you guys in a couple of minutes. All right, good morning. Hello. Let's get started here. Let's get started. Good morning. Gonna go through Twitter as usual, go through all the questions on there, all the tickers there, and then I'll get to you guys, right? ADD, what's happening with ADD? ADD, we don't see anything on ADD. Why? Because we are in a strong downtrend. We have low volume. We are in a, yeah, I mean, we're at support, but for me, there is nothing, no real reason to be entering this. Okay, I will be mentioning this throughout the stream, probably every 5, 10, 15 minutes, that there is FOMC today. The decisions of the rate hike will be decided at 2 p.m. Eastern. That is 2 hours before market close. Okay, so price action will be extremely different today. You will notice it. I don't expect plays to run. If there are probably 1 or 2 that does run, and that's what I would focus on. But yes, the market is going to be very slow. I'm going to be taking my I'm just going to be taking it easy today, to be honest. Sounds like it every day, but you know, to be honest, it's just this week. Today is the main day that everyone's been waiting for. So we will see what happens. This will determine what happens with the market. In terms of small caps, it doesn't affect it, not really, in terms of the price action. When the rate hike does get decided, or whatever does happen, it's just now that everyone is very indecisive of what's going on, and it does affect the overall market. But I think moving from tomorrow onwards, it will be fine. All right, large caps, yeah, will be a different story. So we will see what happens, but I'm not too worried about it. It doesn't bother me whether they increase it or not. Yeah, I don't care, because there's always runners, but it's just everyone's just kind of hesitant, so it just puts pretty much all the volume on hold for now, unfortunately. This is downtrend break needed on CYN. Nothing on this. I'm just going through all the posts on Twitter, guys, and then I will get to you. All right, please make sure you're posting all your questions and that. I will get to them in a minute. SOUN still has that gap fill. Nothing really changed on it. Yeah, it's just kind of ranging at the moment. It's nothing exciting. Still has the 4-hour gap fill. Gap fill just means that there's a high probability you can come and fill it. When it gets to this level here at 1536, it'll probably come and fill it. But for now, it's just kind of ranging like it will be pretty much for the rest of the day, I feel. Unless there's some kind of news that gets leaked or if something happens, any news that they drop. This one's looking okay, MCVT. You have room to 453. It's not really my kind of setup. The reason I say that is simply because there is not much volume. It's only up 1% or down 1%. No, I would say maybe, yeah, you could possibly say it's in a bullish trend, but I would like more price action, to be honest. If I go a smaller time frame, yeah, look at this chart. See these dots? That just shows a lack of volume, low volume. Not much demand. Supply is not there. Okay, let me see. AEMD. AEMD's up 13%. Yeah, we'll just add this to the watch list. I'm not probably won't trade it's under $1 unless it gets over that, but you're heading to a resistance right here at 734. Break above that, you have clean range to this side here. Mark off your next key levels for those who are interested. I would wait for this to break the high of 0.734, which is over here, the yellow line. So we'll see. AMD, wait for 0.734 break to enter. All right, so above that, then you can look for entries. Right now, I just wouldn't touch it. Wait and see what happens. If it breaks, yeah, you could try and take some. I'd like to wait for a pullback. So now that it's up, I let it pull back, look for my entry here for it to go for the next leg. That's kind of how I would trade. I don't like to trade something that's going up. Going up. Too much, yeah, not very clear for me. SLXN, what's happening here? So SLXN is rejecting this level, but if as long as it holds VWAP, you should be fine. You have 255 and then 280 on SLXN. This is probably going to be my watch today, since it is the only one that has clear volume at the moment. So we'll see. We will see. SLXN. Just keep this on watch. Keep it on your watch list. This should definitely be on everybody's watch list today. Right. What else do we have? Any other questions? DJT. All right, I see DJT's running. Running madness right now, DJT. What news was it? Announced his expansion into financial services. That's a good sign. So now we can actually have some meaning behind the news that he drops. Very nice though, well done. If anybody did take it, I would not be trading it now. It's at the highest point day. Good news though. Expanding into financial services, so we will see. We will see what that brings. I'm just going to keep it on my watch list. I will definitely not be trading something that's $34. But we will see. There's a lot of opportunity. What is the other ones that run with it? Fun. Yeah, Fun follows. DATS follows, I think. Just a little bit, 6%. Hollow, what's happening with Hollow? Yeah, as I mentioned on the live session this morning, for the trade breakdown, I said, Hollow, you need to wait for close above 216 to enter. Anything below, nothing, 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 right? I see everybody's questions. Please just bear with me. I'm still going through Twitter, and then I'm going to go through the Discord chart requests, and then I'll get to you guys, all right? Keep them coming. MULN. Not great, very bullish at the moment. What is this? 3, 4, 5. You could wait for this level, but yeah, strong downtrend. Nothing exciting on this. Mullen needs 0.345 break. All right, needs 0.345 break to enter. Okay, we are caught up. Got chart request. Cool, we are done. Right, let's get to everybody's questions. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, SXTP. What app do you use? This is Webull. Right here, you can see Webull desktop. This is what I use. What up, what up, what up? I regret taking, yeah, I would never trade on the 1 minute. Very difficult to do that. Not enough confirmation, but yeah, that offering, I mean, it's very, you don't know when they're going to drop an offering, to be honest, unless you're doing some dodgy business, but these bio companies are trash. Yeah, what's up? How do you determine volatile profitable stocks from unprofitable stocks? I just trade the top gainers, bro. So all of these here, the top gainers, I have all of these, the blue and orange. Orange is under $1, blue is over $1. Out of all these into open, maybe there will be only like 2 or 3 of them out of the 6 or 8 what I have here. And then, yeah, I'll focus on that. That's kind of how I would trade. And then wait for my entries from there. But it's difficult today. Price action will be different. As I said, there is going to be a lot of volatility, and just, I think things are just going to be trading sideways until 2 p.m. Eastern, in my opinion. Fubo. The day I didn't take it. I gave this on live trading yesterday. I gave it for everyone to enter, but I didn't enter it, and obviously it ran, as always. When you're not in a stock, it runs without you. Fubo at the moment, yeah, it doesn't look great. This is actually a bearish pennant if I drew it like this. Why is this a bearish pennant? Simply because you're coming from a downtrend to come down. If it was from an uptrend to break up, that's what you expect to happen. But right now, yeah, it's still bearish. Fubo needs downtrend break. Does anybody know how I can turn off this delay on YouTube? It would be great, or just a little bit less of a delay. Anybody knows, let me know. ORKT, you need $2. ORKT, no entries unless $2 break. Cool, you got it? DATS. What's happening with DATS here? DATS is just in the demand zone. We'll use this. We can use this demand zone. DATS is in the demand zone. Possibly falling wedge, as I like to show everyone. DATS falling wedge plus demand zone equals up. Okay, everybody understand this? Please listen. This is very, very important stuff. I'm giving you great education here, right? Listen up. A demand zone is where buyers step in. That is when you expect price to go up. A falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern, meaning you expect price to go up. That means you have two confluences that the price of this will go up. That is what it means. All right. Ubo, like up the stream. Yes. Let me look how many likes we got here. We got 90 people in here. We got 37 likes. We're getting better at liking. I'm very, very impressed, but I know we can do a little bit better. How many SC? Yeah, that's bad. SLXN opportunity, still learning. No, you haven't missed your opportunity. There's always opportunity in the market. Look, do this. It's very simple to do this on SLXN. Get this, draw the downtrend like that, and wait for the downtrend to break. That's it. Wait for the candle to close above. The candle can close here, right? The candle body can close above here. It can close above here. It can close down here. Wherever. It could be right here. But you never miss an opportunity. There's always opportunity. Wait for the downtrend to break. For me, if I was to take this trade, I would wait for 239, high of break. I would take an impulse buy. That means if the stock is still moving, right? Like this, let's say the stock is still moving, this candle here, let's say it's moving up, up, up. As soon as it breaks high, I'm in the trade to go up. That's it. I'm not waiting for the candle to close, then waiting for the next one. I'm waiting for this candle to break the high to enter. That is it. All right. Does that make sense on that one? Yeah, I know. Just SXTP's trash, trash, trash. I understand. These Thursday offerings, yeah, I know. Especially 8 AM, they do it. After they do it later. How's your day? My day is fantastic. I went to go play golf. I went to the gym. I had some lunch. And was chilling in the Discord, giving some pre-market setups. And now I am chilling. So Trump media surge after announcing expansion into financial services, crypto, and ETS. Good morning, good evening. I was riding runs with Hassi yesterday. TNXP done. Not sure if it was an offering, but I thought it was a dip. TNXP is up 11% right now. TNXP was nice yesterday. Hassi gave a great alert on that. That was the only. That's what made me green yesterday, to be honest with you. Just joined Discord yesterday and already learning so much. Love to hear it, Peyton. Love to hear it. Keep going through the seminars, and obviously if you have any other questions, just DM me on Twitter. On YouTube, Discord, and I will help you. Both myself and Hassi. Like the channel. Subscribe as well, guys. What up, One Sick Build? What up, what up, what up? Good morning, brother. Intraday market's been slow. What swing trades have you been eye on? So I'll be honest, I give swing trades every Sunday night or morning. Or Sunday night, or not Sunday, whatever it is. It's on Sunday, and I give plays for Discord members. I gave 3 of them every single Sunday. So on Monday when the market opens, they enter inside that range. There's their target, stop loss, so on. But as the market opened on Monday, it was terrible. The SPY was down like 3%. Nvidia was down like 13% or whatever it was. And all the swing trades were all down. So what I did was I just removed them and I told everyone not to enter them. Everyone was still sleeping pretty much, but just remove them, and I'll look back on Sunday, this Sunday coming, and probably give new swing setups then, because I'm not going to give it today simply because, right, the main reason is because we have FOMC today, and then tomorrow is going to be Friday or Thursday, Friday. It's a bit of a weird end of the week. So I'm just going to wait till Sunday to give swing setups as normal and see how the market does react. Because obviously it's difficult when the news happens on the weekend. It's difficult to hold plays over the weekend, especially. That's why I don't like to do it. But that's why I like to give swing trades at the start of the week, so you can pretty much have a full week ahead, if that makes sense. Good morning. Good evening from Dubai. What up, what up? Hello from Dubai. Good evening. Same goes from me. Good evening from Dubai. SXTP, what's happening? SXTP trash. Trash, trash, trash. Don't know why they dropped this offering. Shit ass company. Just leave the stock alone. I just would not touch it. Just take your loss and move on. In my opinion, if it runs up, it runs up. Who cares? But you don't want to be dwelling on this. I've removed this off my watch list. No one in the Discord will be trading it since it did drop an offering. Too high risk. Sorry. This January price has been honk. No, it's been good. It's been fine. Just this week's been a bit weird because of the AI news, and then we have FOMC today. But yeah, the week's been fine. ORKT. A lot of people are talking about this. $2 is your major resistance level here. But yeah, if you want to take an entry, maybe above 176, you could look for 176. Let's see what this does do. This I had another key level. Oh, 855. That was it. TNXP 855 right here. 0.5830 is a good entry point on TNXP, which is the high of yesterday. That is what I would look for an entry, or you can maybe get this break and retest at 0.5. 0.5 is a big significant level. Why? Because it's psychological level. We expect stocks to respect these and hopefully, reverse off this. TNXP prediction. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it respects it. If not, it doesn't. So either two ways. It goes or it doesn't go. TVGN. Nothing on this for me. Needs to hold 140. TVGN needs to hold 140. Needs to hold 140 on this. I'm not really interested on it. There's nothing exciting going on. SICB offering, Trevor and PV like upstream, TNXP. TNXP is right here. I just went over it. You mentioned psychological levels, so would you mind expanding on it? So psychological levels are easy. $1, $1.50, $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, $3.75, $4.75, $4.76, $4.77 is not a psychological level, right? You want just whole numbers, in my opinion. So you can do 150, 160, 170. I like to do 25 increments, or $1, 125, 150, 175, $2, 225, so on, so on. But the biggest, strongest psychological levels are the whole. So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, like that. 50 cents, OST, there's no volume on OST. Yeah, OST, there's nothing at the moment. There's no trend. The trend is just ranging. Maybe bullish trend, but it's not too strong of a trend. Too much choppiness. These wicks show a lot of indecision. Sellers just keep pushing it down, 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 down. Difficult to trade something like this. I don't know where I would take an entry. Maybe above this high here at 321. Because the candle body can close above that. That will maybe show some continuation to the upside. But at the moment, you're in no man's land, like within this range and the trend line, in my opinion. So OST, wait for 321. 321, break above. 321, break above. What is this news? I saw it earlier. Yes. Futures intraday marginal temporarily increased today from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. There we go. Cool. OCEA, I haven't heard that one in a long time. How's this one cooking? Up 87%. Very nice. I will add this to my watch list. It is 60 cents, but there is something that is moving. So we'll see. Got a larger time frame now. I like to use the 4 hour and identify what are the key levels. So we have this wick fill 119, and then we have another resistance here at 7980. So now I know if I go to a smaller time frame, 5 minute, we have this in the way. If you want to look for an entry, I personally would wait for this high to break for continuation to 7980, but at the moment, yeah, I wouldn't be taking it because it's in a downtrend right now. Unless you have a magical indicator that's showing you that it is reversing right now, but at the moment, it's coming down. So OSHIA, wait for 0.7488 break to enter. All right, that is just the high of the day, 7488. That's the highest the stock went today. FFIE, you need a candle close above 1.67 on a larger time frame. Very choppy at the moment, so needs 167 break. So every time it gets to 167, if you guys notice, it keeps rejecting it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rejections. Need that candle body to close above. GOEV, guys, let's like up the stream. Let's like up the stream. GOEV, nothing on this. Is it delisted or what? There's nothing, no price action on this. Nothing on this. Let me just retweet this post so we get everyone in. Cool. Okay, what makes stocks go up and down? Is like a person controlling, or rather that might seem like a stupid question. Buyers and sellers, that's it. Buyers and sellers are going up because buyers are buying. It's going down because sellers are selling. You go to the order sheet, you can look. You can look at, if you use Webull, go onto Webull and you can find out the orders. You can see it. So yeah, if you log on to Webull, you can see the time and sales. You can see how many people are selling, how many people are buying, how many people are selling. And obviously the more buyers, it will go up. The more sellers, it will go down. My first couple of trades, I didn't put a stop loss because I didn't even know what it was. I'm down 25 cents. Do you suggest selling me? Yeah, personally speaking, yes, I would. I would just cut the loss and move on and try to start fresh because you're still in the learning process, as I can see. So what I suggest is follow the risk management plan. Definitely watch the risk management seminar on your WAP portal. It's the first episode, the most important episode, most important part of trading you'll ever learn because no one teaches it. Everyone just says buy, buy, buy. Here's your alert, stop loss entry target, da 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 da. When people don't know what the trade size is, they don't know how much they're supposed to trade with, none of that kind of stuff. They don't understand it. And that's what I teach and that's what I tell everyone every single day. Watch the risk management seminar and you will understand how to trade properly with your money. You're down 25%, cut it. I will tell you, my biggest losses I take are 3% intraday. That's it. Around 3.5% intraday every single day. That's it. If I lose, I cut my loss and move on. The reason is because if I'm going to have a 25% stop loss on every trade, and that means if I lose, then I'm going to have to try and hold for a 25% target, which is pretty unrealistic. It's difficult to get a 25% run every time. That's why I cut my losses very small and I aim for a larger target. So I have a 3% stop loss. I have around 5% target. That's what I aim for. Market's good, I'll hold more of my position, but it just depends. When the market's not great, like today, probably sell everything in my first target. Probably won't trade with much size just because I'm managing my risk. I'm just trying to be smart, that's all. When the market's great, I'll trade with a lot more money. But at the time being, as much as I love trading, I will still trade. I just will manage my risk a lot more. What a shitty week to trade. What did you do before trading? I was in school. I played golf, college golf at Notre Dame. Got a finance degree, and then I went to live in Chicago. I got a computer science degree, and then during COVID, I started trading. And then, yeah, I guess just that was it, really. Started to enjoy trading, started to become profitable, started to teach people. And then, yeah, I created Discord with Hassie. I think if you change it, it'll... Oh, okay, I'll look at stream latency settings. I'll actually have a look on after. Thank you. You can turn your mover, clearing cash and adjusting latency, only thing that may help. All right, okay. So the demand zone is, Peyton, if you message me in the Discord, I will show you there's a seminar. There are seminars on it in the Discord. If you go onto premium education, click on seminar videos, top one. And then there's 2 or 3 videos on the demand zone. But the demand zone for me is just the last red candle before the move up. So last red candle before the move up is right here. The next one is last red candle before the move up is right here. And then we can say this one here, last red candle before the move up. And so on, like that. So this is your demand zone right now. If it breaks below here, you know that this is your next demand zone. Select ultra low latency in YouTube settings. It'll fix the delay. Thank you very much. I know it must be frustrating with the delay, but yes, I will try and sort it out best I can. Baba got the new DeepSeek. It's better than Deep Geek. What's up? I'm on Discord as my stock money. Let's go. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Oshia, what's happening here? Yeah, it needs to break this high at 7488. So that's what I would wait for. That is what I would wait for. What makes a good swing trade? I just focus on chart patterns, to be honest with you. Chart patterns work very well and just larger time frames. Something that's not as volatile, usually larger cap stocks. I just focus on the bullish chart patterns and kind of just find where I can look for good entries on it. But usually falling wedge does well, bullish pendants do well, and just keep an eye on earnings and that. So you don't want to be trading someone as earnings in the next couple of days. All right. What is a swing trade? A swing trade is something that you hold for more than a day, usually a week or two. So instead of buying and selling in the same day as a day trade, you are swing trading. So you buy now and you hold for larger targets. Usually, for me, there's no best way to do swing trading. I hold for a 10% target and I have around a 7% stop loss. TVGN. So TVGN needs to hold 145 at the moment. There's not much volume. It's just kind of choppy. So someone on Twitter has just asked me, I post a falling wedge in demands and they said, what does it mean? I said, it's a bullish chart pattern. You expect price to go up from here. And they said, is that good or bad? So what I just told them was, if you don't know what bullish is, please take your money out of your account. Go and learn how to trade first before putting money in. Very important. PLTR, what's happening here? PLTR is doing what I expect. Yeah, it's looking good. PLTR looks good. PLTR. What do we think about PLTR? I think it's bullish. I expect it to continue to go up. We will see, but I don't know whether there's rate hikes, everything might dump or everything might run crazy, so it's difficult. I'm ready, green for the day. I'm debating whether, yeah, in my opinion, Patrick, I would call it a day. Seriously, I would call it a day. Because I'm going to tell everyone in the Discord as well, if we give 1 or 2 trades and it's green, just call it a day, because I'm not going to be here all day waiting for FOMC. Obviously, I'm sleeping by then, but you want to trade as soon as possible. So when market opens, wait like 30 minutes and trade within the first couple of hours and call it a day, because you do not want to be trading when FOMC is coming up and all those things. Price action is going to be choppy. SES, just wait. Wait for 126, okay? Wait for 126 to enter. Oshia. APLD, this is Bitcoin play from what I remember. Is it? APLD is like hanging on right now. Yeah, oh, here we go. Yeah, APLD is hanging on right now. Hanging on. Bit of a choppy one for me. It's already broken support, like this support here. It's gone. But this follows Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is just chilling right now. TECX. 13%. Nothing for me on this. I don't know how to trade. Some of this has absolutely zero volume, but yeah, I don't know. I can't really help you with this, to be honest with you. I don't know how to trade this. Your next resistance is $40 though, but there's a huge sell-off offering or whatever it was. LGCL, what's happening here? Did it recover? Was it moving a bit? It's trying to move a little bit. Yeah, we can just draw this trend line. These are 2 fake candles here on Webull. So I would just draw that and wait for the downtrend to break for entries on LGCL. LGCL. Dark Shadow, Long Wing, Ocean, not good. GOVE. You spell GOVE as GOVQ. I don't have GOV, it's not on here. Not on here. It's been removed. VINC. Haven't seen this one in a while. When was this a runner? Last week? VINC tried to run up, came straight down. Yeah, nothing on this. Nothing. 3% stops get cleared so easily on these turds. Nah, it doesn't. Not at all. Not if you have the correct strategy. I have an over 80% win rate and I don't have any issues. It's just finding what works for you. Do you set a certain amount of trades with, for example, 10,000 and then just add profits with capital to do larger trades? Do you set certain amount to trade with? I trade with maximum like 20-25% on my account per trade. I aim for around 5% target. Sometimes more, sometimes less. It just depends. I have a large account, I have a small account, but usually I just grow my small accounts and take money out for whatever I need it for, to be honest with you. Hey guys, beginner here. What does X before entries mean? What does X before entry? So it means if I say it needs to close above 539, you need a candle body to close above 539 to take your entry. This is a candle body in the yellow, and if it closes above 539, you can take your entry. If it doesn't close above, then you do not take your entry. That is what I mean, if that's what your question is. Hey guys, what do the thin lines mean in each candle body? Thin lines, the wicks. Abby, are you in the Discord? TECX, I've gone over this already about 4 times. There's nothing, I don't see anything. STSS, right, I'm gonna go through these last questions and then I'm done. STSS, what's happening? Nothing on this. It's down 68%. Leave it alone. No good. Is pattern day trade not banned on Webull? Nope. Just switch to a cash account. If you have a cash account, you can trade with as much money as you have in your account. So if you have $1 million in your account on a cash account, you can take as many trades as you want with that $1 million and it will settle the next day. If you have $1,000 in your account, you can take 5 trades at $200 each. Or you can take as many trades as you want using $1,000. You can take 1 trade at $1,000, it will settle the next day. You can take as many trades as you want. You just need to switch from a margin account to a cash account. FFIE needs a candle close above 167. Big level at 167. A lot of rejection here. When is Fed going to cut rates? I have no idea. I need to ask. My boy Powell. XLXN, what's happening? XLXN just in this demand zone here. It's just chilling. Nothing exciting, to be honest. Yeah, demand zone. How do you get daily runner screen on Webull? I'm not too sure. Probably go to add widgets. Go here somewhere. General. Market, maybe here. Most top gainers here. I don't know. You're an SXTP? I wouldn't touch SXTP. It just dropped an offering. So I can't really help you with that. I have no idea what will happen. If you're at 111, I would definitely be out. But up to you. Boom 50% on Oshia. Nice. EVTV. Ooh, this was a runner, right? EVTV. EVTV, wait for 105. Then you can look for an entry. Told you guys I think I'm done for the day. FFIE, yeah, went over it. Not in Discord. What was your question again? What are those lines? It's a candle wick. If you don't know what a candle wick is, I highly recommend you go and do some research and understand what candles are. If you don't even know what the high of a candle is, what the low is, where the open and close of one candle is, you need to go and do that. I would definitely stop trading now for the rest of your time until you understand that. That's very basic stuff. Also goodbye, news popping, things not sticking. Yeah, I'm chilling as well, Matt. We're going to watch a movie today, Shrek 2. We're going to watch it in Discord today. No trading. CTM, not too sure what you see in this. Nothing. Maybe above 129, you can look for an entry. I don't really like it right now. Got it. Thanks. No worries. Okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. All right. If you want to join, the live trading link will be sent out in exactly 25 minutes. I will see you guys then. The link is there. Choose between a 1 or 3 month tier, and I will see you guys later today. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.